Soil consolidation refers to the mechanical process which soil change volume gradually in response to a change in pressure. This happens because soil is a two-phase material comprising soil grain and pore fluid, usually in groundwater. When soil saturated with the water is subjected to an increase in pressure, the high volumetric stiffness of water compared to the soil matrix means that the quality the water initially absorbs all the change in pressure without changing the volume and creating excess pore water pressure. As water diffuses away from the region of high pressure due to the seepage, the soil matrix gradually takes up the pressure change and shrink in volume. The theoretical frameworks of consolidation is therefore closely related to the diffusion equation, the concept of effective stress and hydraulic conductivity. The process of consolidation is often explained with an idealized system composed of a ring, a container with a hole in its cover, and water. In this system, the spring represents the compressibility or the structure of the soil itself, and the water which fills the container represents the pore water in the soil, as we can see from the diagram. The effects of consolidation are most conspicuous where a building sits over the layer of soil with low stiffness and low permeability, such as marine clay, leading to large settlement over many years. Type of construction project where consolidation offer post-technical risks include land reclamation, the construction of embankment and tunnel, or basement excavation in clay. That's all from me. Thank you.